Hi folks, Andrew here with Viking Electronics. I got an unboxing video for you today. This is the E-20B surface mount entry phone. First thing right on top, we got our product manual. E-20B, directions on how to install, program, reach out to Viking. If you have further questions or need assistance with programming, parts actually are in this right here. Got a grounding screw and then 2 screws here and 2 gel-filled butt connectors. And we've got our E-20B ready to surface mount and talk with whoever's visiting.